Hi, welcome to Qualitas Technology Solution video. In this video, we are going to show a two-camera system which is used for the print inspection of pharma labels. The requirements are to check the presence-absence verification and barcode reading. There are two setups that are installed in a moving production line as shown here to enable the top view and bottom view check for the print inspection. In setup 1, the camera, the ring light and the sensor combination are used to capture well-defined clear images of the moving labels. The second setup includes another ring light and a camera. The timing and field of view are analyzed and set up for each of the cameras precisely. The output of the cameras are displayed on a PC monitor as shown. In this demonstration, camera 2 is turned off, thereby causing the camera 2 output screen to go black as can be seen. A screenshot of the online running dual camera system is shown here. Barcode reading is done on cam 1 output and the presence absence in cam 2 as shown. The defective labels can be removed either manually by triggering the machine to stop or through an automated rejection system. For more such solution videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.